Hello guys, welcome on my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how to upload first project on your GitHub repository. So in previous tutorial we are downloaded Git and install on your local system. So I am using here Git for uploading project on remote repository. So we are already created our first repository. So let's get started guys. So first of all we have to we are creating here new repository again, so here you have to click on this new button, then enter here repository name, which is I'm entering here, and I am publicly shared this repository and I am not adding readme file or also git ignore file. So I am click here git create repository button. So here we go, our repository will be successfully created. So I am minimizing this and go to in my project location where we stored our project. So I am right click here and click on Git Bash here button. So our terminal will be started. So I am entering here first command, which is git init for initializing this folder. So I am enter here git init. Our initialization will be successfully done. So our next command is git status. This command for checking status of our local directory. So these three files are not added, so I am going to add these files. So enter git add, and I am at a time added multiple files, so I am here enter star and git add star command. So our files will be added. So again I am checking status, which is files will be added or not. So you can see here green means your files will be added successfully. So next command is configuration command, which is git config dash dash global user dot email. Enter your email address which is used for creating GitHub account. gmail.com. Hit enter. Again next command, which is username. Enter here name, which is used of your GitHub. So my username is, and hit enter button. So next command is commit, whichever you commit message will be added into your repository. So command is git commit and commit message in quotes. This is my first commit, so I am here adding first commit. So next command is git remote add origin and enter here GitHub repository address. So I am go to my browser and copying this remote address. Just copy and paste on Git Bash terminal. I am pasting here and hit the enter button. And next command is git push dash u and then origin, which is variable we are created in previous command, and enter your directory, which is master directory. So just hit the enter button and wait for some time. So I think it is 100% done, and I am again go to my browser and just refresh here, and our successfully committed. You can see here first commit message will be appear, and this is all about how to upload our first project on GitHub. So thank you guys for watching this video. In next tutorial we are going to see how to update in local repository and how to update on remote repository, means in this repository how to replace the edited code in local repository. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you not yet subscribed my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Thank you guys.